नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वर्यादिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the Sarvanyapita Yajamans, Nitya Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedar, devotees, disciples, visitors, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Twitter Live, hundreds of Adinavasis channels and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I'll continue on Adinam Chalo series, nitty-gritties of Shaktipada. Listen. Yesterday I spoke about being in love with the visionary of your life is Guru Bhakti. I saw so many Facebook status. I'm seeing so many people whom I never expected. Almost from all over the world. Many people I thought who attended program 10 years before, 11 years before, 7 years before, who are not in touch with the Sangha regularly. Even from all of them I am seeing the status. You are my visionary, I am in love with you. So today, I give you the commitment. Whoever puts the status, you are my visionary, I am in love with you, I will give you my personal vision about your life. I give homework for you every day. Today I am taking up a homework. In few days I will complete, but whoever puts the status, if you feel I am the visionary for your life and you are in love with me, please put a status and tag it to my page. You will have my vision for your life. For all the Adinavasis, today I really wanted to spell out my vision for you. Sadashivatva batch 1 participants, Sadashivatva batch 2 participants, both listen. And all the Adinavasis who are yet to attend the Sadashivatva, listen to these fundamental principles based on which I build my vision. First 1 year when you come into the Sangha, means Adinam, 1 year it is Salokya Mukti, means enjoying the enlightenment, being in this loka, carving your integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching. Divya Sarira, pure identity, understand, listen carefully. Just like how you build this body, food, workout, rest, care, same way, build your Divya Sarira. That is what I am saying, carving out your spiritual identity. Build your Divya Sarira with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. 1 year is for that. Within 1 year, carve your identity such a way you enjoy the Samibhya Mukti, enlightenment of being around, near, literally the physical breathing space. I heard one guru has told Guru's physical presence is not required, and sometimes it will be hindrance. Let me make it very clear, it may be for him. I am very clear. Sadashiva is very clear. The physical presence of Guru, Veda, Agama, Saiva, Sampradayas are very, very, very clear. The physical presence of the Guru is not only necessary, mandatory for enlightenment. Of course, if somebody is not enlightened and they are sitting on the Guru Pita, then their physical presence is not required. See, if their physical presence cannot radiate, vibrate, Shaktipada, then their presence is not required. Why physical presence? Even presence is not required. Understand an important basic truth. In Veda, Agama, Shaiva Sampradayas, physical presence of the Guru is not only required, it is mandatory for highest enlightenment to manifest through you. Of course, see, there are clear different components, dimensions. Like only if it is about state, means peace, kind of a consolation. For that, you just need to get their words, that's all. Nowadays you can get anybody's words just through the internet. Then you see, if it is all about only gaining some consolation, thought current, a state, then physical presence of the person who is teaching you is not required, and you also can't give the title Guru for him. If it is all about space, the way enlightenment operates, then you may need a little time, training time around him. But if it is all about an important component manifesting powers of enlightenment, Sadashiva, then physical presence is not only required, mandatory. So the very definition of Guru and physical presence as per Vedagama Shaiva Sampradaya is different than modern day trekking Neo Jingnak Sampradayas. Jakpuk Chikpak Sampradayas. Let me come back to Vedagama Shaiva Sampradaya. Either Vedanta or Siddhanta or Agamanta Sampradayas. Vedanta or Siddhanta or Agamanta Sampradayas, physical presence of the Guru is not only required, mandatory. So listen, within a year you carve your Divya Sarira and move to the space of Samibhya Bhukti. And maybe enjoy the Samibhya Mukti intensely and manifest Sadashivatva completely, intensely, state, space and powers. After 3 years, wherever you are in Shaktipada. Understand? With a clear integrity and completion, when you manifest all the state, space and powers and you are sent somewhere to represent me and take the responsibility of what for I happened, then you are enjoying Sarubhya Mukti. Understand, this is my vision for all the Adinavasis. 1 year Salokya Mukti. Carve your identity day and night. If you want to achieve extraordinary things, you have to do extraordinary things. Still I am seeing all these human stupidity cribbings from some of the so-called Adinavasis. Oh, my butt is burning. My jut is burning. This is aching. That is pulling. Understand? If you want to become extraordinary, you have to do extraordinary things. 1 year, carve out your identity, Divya Sarira. What is Divya Sarira? I will define. Understand? You take a clay and put any impression. For example, you put your hand. It gets impressed. Then burn that clay. Your hand is imprinted on it forever. So that clay is Divya Sarira of your hand. Same way, bring yourself and put the master on you, or put yourself on the master so strongly. He gets imprinted in you intensely. Then burn yourself with integrity. Now you just radiate him. Manifest his state, space, powers. You are is Divya Sharira. You are is Divya Sharira. Understand, thousands and thousands and thousands of years, Sanatana Hindu Dharma has kept this great science of producing Divya Sariris alive. All spiritual sampradayas will be relevant to planet Earth as long as they are able to produce Divya Sariris. If you are living the state, space and manifesting powers, your Divya Sarira started getting built. It has started happening. Understand? Build your Divya Sarira intensely. In 1 year, by the 2nd year, enjoy Samibhya Mukti. 2 years, build yourself completely. Somebody was asking me permission. Swamiji, instead of Shivastambha Yoga, can I go for a morning walk? What a fool you are. You already gave up your life. Get into the Shivastambha. Not only learn, decide to become a teacher for others. I was extremely happy when I saw my mother on the rope. Kundalini Raju. Not only she has become an ideal due to her innocence, now she is becoming ideal by being active. When I saw that photograph, first thing the disciples were around me, Swamiji, Swamiji, stop her, tell her not to do all this. I said, no, let her do. I will protect her. It's not that I am just going to be so unattentive that she will fall or fracture herself or have any difficulty. No, what is there? We have enough of protection mechanisms. Let us start. Understand, will persistence to start new things in your life means you are youth and young. The day you stop doing new things, you are old, dead, waiting to be buried. As long as you are doing new things and you have will persistence to start new things, you are young. Create records. Decide when you are 1995, we will be performing Shivastambha. And decide you will be in the body as long as Swamiji is in the body. Chadaggu Samaha. Let's live for hundreds of years. Let's live for hundreds of years. Understand, a community like us keeps you relevant. Community like us keeps you relevant. I don't know whether she went up the rope, but she has tried. That itself I am very happy. Now I am really happy she tried. See, now she is setting an example for many people who are thinking they are already old and they can't do anything. Age is a stupid number, brainwashing you. If you allow an age to brainwash you, you don't have brain even to wash. In the modern day, the idea of youth is always associated with the sexual activity. No. Idea of youth is always associated to ecstatic activities, not sexual activities. Understand. Please understand, the ecstatic means the blissful activities are different. Sexual activities are different. It's not that always both need to be hand in hand. Climbing the hill, swimming, marathon races, all these can be amazing youthful activity which is blissful and which is not related to sexual. Understand, youth should be associated to blissful activities. The youthfulness, the idea of youthfulness is associated to blissful activities. I am introducing the Nityananda Nagar Vala, which is 9 kilometer, going through our main east gate and going round and crossing the level crossing, entering into the Mysore road, coming back through the overcrossing, not under bridge, overcrossing, and coming back to the Adinam's east entrance, main entrance. So in that way you go round all the gods and goddesses living in Nityananda Nagara. Largest consciousness happening city. Listen. Listen to the sacred secrets. Listen to these great truths. I am repeating. The youthfulness need not be associated only with sexual activity as it is presented in the modern day. Youthfulness should be associated to blissful activities. I have seen in Tiruvannamalai, till the age of 90, people lifting the deities on their shoulder for the procession. People getting involved with the temple activities. One temple can keep whole the city alive, young, inspired, energetic and healthy. Because the right kind of food is served at right season in the name of prasadam during the right festivals and change of rutus. I tell you, one temple can keep whole city active, inspired, alive, young. Blessed are those who go and settle around a big temple which is full of activity like Tiruvannamalai, Chidambaram, Madurai. Now coming up Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva temple in Bengaluru Adinam. Really, I am telling you. Be full of vibrant and active. Tiredness is devil stealing your life. Don't allow. Boredom is demons stealing your life. Don't allow it. Boredom is not you. Tiredness is not yours. Renounce the stupid idea. Boredom is you. Tiredness is yours. When you think boredom is you, tiredness is yours, you are fool. Alive, active, living, inspired beings are generated, maintained, sustained, and liberated from temples. Temples are the centers for this great activity. Understand? One temple can keep whole city alive, alive, really alive. first 1 year, carve your Divya Sarira in Salokya Mukti. Second year, carve your state, space and manifesting powers in Samibhya Mukti. After 3 years, you should be in Sarubhya Mukti. Move all over the universe to radiate Sadashiva. This is the precise vision I have for all the Adi Navasis who are here and who are going to come. Who are here and who are yet to come. Millions are yet to come. Understand? Millions are going to come. I have given my rough vision for the Adi Navasis, but whoever feels I am your visionary, including Adi Navasis, put the status, I'll do my homework of giving you my vision. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.